So here are some portrait tips and tricks I hope someone had told me when I started with portrait drawing. I hope someone had told me to always start with a light sketch. Starting with a sketch is so essential because it gives you a foundation where to begin with your portrait drawing. For example, I'm doing these portraits in ballpoint pen and I decided to use a sketch beforehand because it gives me a foundation on where to start. Because if I had gone in with the ballpoint pen, it would be messy. Another tip is to always keep your sketches as light as possible. Having a light sketch is a really good foundation, but having a hard sketch is really tough because now it's really hard to build off of that. So when you sketch, it's important to always use an eraser to lighten all those lines up so that you can go in with whatever medium you are using. It's always really important to keep your references as simple as possible, while keeping in mind that you need to test your artistic abilities to the next level. So you should always pick references that have dark values, midtones, and highlights. It's also really important to let go of perfection and expectations because that really plays a huge role on the downfall of a lot of artists. I really hope all of you stay creative out there, keep doing your thing. Don't look at what other people are creating, just stay focused on you. You got this. Peace out.